Oh my god, excuse me. Oh my god, excuse me. Blandry, everything is like tonight. Jay, I can't make that's a good comparison, bro. I do not like Starbucks in any way. I'll be straight up. There's my official goodbye. Whoa, Mike! Mike, how we doing tonight, boss? How we doing, Mike? I'm burpy as hell. I'll be live tomorrow at the club. I'll give you guys like 60. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me. That's 6. I can't count. Well, we know. Holy shit, Jalen, be a gentleman, bro. Huh? Oh, holy.
Okay, I'm gonna play this shit, right?
What'd you say? Or you just yapping? Oh, that's so bright. My song's on Spotify. Gabby, play it. Excuse me, but yeah, Virgin from thing. The scenic aspect of it. Datriel, how we doing, Datriel? Excuse me, I think it's straight up. Bro, I'm really quiet there, so this is where it's kind of silent. Ooh. Ever been to any of the beaches in the Philippines? That's it. Sorry, switching back and forth between you and Jared. Jerry! We love Jerry. How's my boy Jerry doing? How's Jared? I have the best memory. I remember the tiniest details. Oh, there it is. Just how they are amazing little companions. For you, Matt, how we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Apologies and bro. Oh, I gotta burp. Oh, there we go. It works. Anymore. Oh, I had to burp there. Holy shista. Oh, there it was. It snuck out. It snuck out. But yeah. Oh, God. Excuse me. Holy shit. Ooh, little, I don't know what song this is. That's what I'm saying, Justine. Bro, everyone has it out for us. You know what I'm saying? Holy shit. No, guys, follow me on Instagram, though. Dima Makovic _. Just because...
Yeah, facts though, Randy. Facts. Watch the snipe. Watch the snipe.
And all the niggas in the struggle. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know if I can spoil it for you, so I probably should not say anything. Ready? Dude, when I get lean, bro, if I do that, I have this one weird vein. Let me try it. Hold on. Ryan David, Alexander, what's up? How we doing? Alexander, your girl is your girl and your name is Alexander? I've never heard of that. That's actually so sick. Oh, I'm hella burpy right now. I've had too many sodas. There we go. We're gonna be burping the rest of the night, y'all. I hope you all know that. Just bear with me. Dial down, you know. Back on, bro. Oh, I just burped, dude. I'm burpy and gassy and all that stuff. Salom, how we doing, Salom? Oh my God, excuse me. That was a beautiful excrement of